everyone to the channel, Acura Painter. I'm really gonna try to go move full ahead with this channel. I went ahead and I purchased myself a GoPro. You can check me out on Instagram, Acura Painter. Really trying to put some videos together. The cool thing about my videos that I want to bring to you is not only do I paint, but we do body work. I do the body work, disassembly, a little bit of everything. So my goal for this channel is to bring full jobs to each episode, meaning start to finish on each episode. Also some paint videos in between. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Brian. Well, it's right there. I work for Acura, and we are a Craig's-In group down in South Florida. So we are connected to multiple dealerships: Subaru, Toyota, Lexus. But the coast dealerships, Lexus and Subaru, send a lot of cars, also from Miami area. So we get to work on a lot of cool cars here. We have an awesome little facility. We don't do big collision work, scratch dent, anything that does not require any sort of frame damage. That's pretty much what we do here. We have our full Standox paint line by Exalta Paint Finishes. It is a very good paint line. Every paint line has their quirks. So I will talk to you about Standox and how to use that. Also love to answer any questions to the best of my ability. I might not do everything the way that you do it, but my goal for everyone is to learn something and for me to learn from you. So I'll give you a little quick preview. With these videos, I'm gonna keep them the way they are. If the shop is dirty, you're gonna see a dirty shop. If the shop is clean, you're gonna see a clean shop. This is everyday body shop, and take a look around, and I'll show you real quick. For those of you that haven't seen it, we know we have our full Standox, our mixing system, all of our paints. We have a couple painters, myself and my buddy Laz, as well as Mario. These are all our chips. The booth is getting clean right now. We just finished scraping all the glass. We're gonna take care of the floor and the walls. And that is the extent of our shop. So it's a very small shop, but a lot of good content's gonna come your way. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you wanna see. My page is about the viewers and it's about teaching. That's what I love to do. So come along with this journey with me, and hopefully y'all learn something. So we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.